Strategies for getting an all-natural giving birth. Get a solid prenatal education. Look for classes which include how labor and birth work and natural labor pain management techniques, for example breathing, self-hypnosis, relaxation along with other coping mechanisms. Your hospital most likely provides an evening or weekend course, however that may not be enough information, especially should they have a higher epidural or C-section rate. Rather, research independent educators. Consider using a couple of different classes or styles before you locate one that seems like a great fit. Pick a physician who's into natural birth. Many are, some aren't, as well as your chances for achieving your ultimate goal are elevated when the people taking proper care of you are well on exactly the same page. You could also wish to employ a doula and, if you are delivering inside a hospital, request a labor nurse who's into natural births. 2. Don't gain an excessive amount of weight. Labor has a tendency to go more easily for ladies that aren't overweight. They've less complications and wish less medical interventions.